guys, welcome to the Germany Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad. We are just pulling up to AZ Euros right now. Ooh, that sun's bright. And we are going to dyno one of their customers' cars and tune it with the new K04 installed. It's a Mark 6 GTI, so we're going to be tuning it with the Cobb access port and Cobb software. So, let's get to it. We just loaded a new revision on the tune, and we'll do another pull here. The first one was, what did it do, 275, and Austin's checking in.
Yeah, 275, 292.
Okay.
A nice flat curve.
Yeah, so we'll get a little bit of more torque out of it, I think, and see how the top end does in this next pull.
Picked up 6 horsepower, 13 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
At the wheels.
A little bit, yeah. A bit of an increase there. That's good.
Well, so it was actual revving out.
Horsepower is 357.
Yeah, 357 crank, and torque is
That's not bad.
390.
390 torque.
Yep.
That's not bad.
Crank.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be fun. Austin working the wheel. What he's good at right here, driving. Logging. .285, 313, so maybe a little heat soak. Pull the log out and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's a log of that last run. Timing is looking really good. On 91, you know, 4 to 6 degrees up top, it's about right. Boost is spiking around 22, tapering off to about 18. So, you know, this HPA K04, that's where it likes to live up top. So yeah, that made 285 and looks like 3 something, right? 285 and like right around 300 torque.
Yeah, 313.
Yeah, so 313 torque, 285 horse. That's good. This thing's gonna be fun on the street for sure. So just finishing up flashing this next revision, and we'll do another pull. Woo, little pop action. Yeah, this thing's gonna shoot some flames. We'll see if maybe we can get some flames out of it. Horse, 332 torque. Nice, dude. Nice. That's good power right there. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I think that was from the second to last in the last run, right? That's what it looks like.
No, so that's just crank and.
this is the last. Okay,
yeah,
this is the last run.
Yellow and green are crank, and then red and blue are wheel.
Yeah, so it made 409 torque and 359 horsepower to the crank, 332 torque and 292 horsepower to the wheels. It's pretty awesome on a Mustang. That's good.
Yeah. For sure. I think it's more impressive to see it over what your base was. It's pretty wild, the difference.
Yeah. Yeah, dyno tuning helps for sure. It's, it's like logging on the street, but way safer, more consistent.
We picked up 18 horsepower on the, almost 18 horsepower on the dyno and 40 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the big difference right here in the torque. The boost onset, they adjusted boost onset so it came in a little harder, 23 psi spike, and then tapered down to like 19 psi, but it's still good up top. So yeah, it's gonna be a really fun car on the street for sure.
Yeah.
Torque down here, went all the way up to 330 torque, and then it went up to 297, and they kind of dropped off the top, but right here 286 horse compared to 272. Pretty good gains, definitely down low though. That's where it really made a difference. So there's the final number. 332 torque, 292 horsepower. All right, thanks for watching, guys. It was awesome tuning this car. It did really, really well. Shout out to AZ Euros for the dyno support here, and Austin for being an awesome dude and running the dyno for us. And yeah, I'm really hoping this customer enjoys the car. It's gonna be really fun. And I'll see you in the next video.